There are three mistakes that would make people instantly swipe your video. And in 3 seconds, you are nowhere to be found. It will dissipate. It is crucial that we should study what are these three mistakes that we have been doing. Number one, you don't have direction. When you start your video, you usually make this irrelevant opening or introduction. Hi guys, hello guys, good afternoon guys, good evening, welcome to my channel. Those are not anymore applicable in our present times. Your audience will be annoyed, will be irritated. It's, for me, if I'm the one watching, it's a noise. It's not something with value. Number two, you don't have captions. It is crucial that we are going to put our captions on our video here, in as much as it would make the people or our viewers that they will be interested. They would be curious about what we are going to discuss. And according to research, there are 85% of people around the world who are choosing to watch video muted, meaning there is no sound, just the captions or the closed captions. The closed captions, which is about what we are speaking, it will be registered here on the screen. So in as much as there are people who are working and it might be it's not allowed that there would be sound from their cell phone or from their gadget that is allowed on their workplace. So it is really necessary that we are going to make the caption and the closed captions. Number three, you are making it very long to deliver your content. And people don't like that. You are delaying, your presentation or discussion of your content. They would walk away. They will not stay. If your retention is high, it will also mean that you would be having more qualified views by doing this lesson learned strategy I have narrated to you based on my storyline. So next time you post, do it now. These three strategies I have learned. Be directional, have your direction, and always put your captions, especially closed captions, and don't delay too long to your content.